up guys? Another day, another hustle for us. So first of all guys, maraming salamat sa mga nanood ng first vlog natin for 2025. Ayan, ilalagay ko dito. Kung hindi mo pa napanood guys, make sure na panoorin mo na ngayon. So we are here today para i-unbox ulit ang, as you all know, one of the most comfiest sneaker ng end of 2024. Meron silang bagong nilabas, ang On Cloud Chinese New Year guys. So, sobrang excited na ako. Tara, unbox na natin to. What I'm holding right now guys is the On Cloud Tilt na Chinese New Year. As you all know guys, magsa-celebrate na naman ang Chinese New Year this month. So yeah, nag-release sila ng bago nilang colorway. So kitang-kita nyo naman guys, sa box pa lang sobrang premium na nung feels. Merong On Cloud logo na embossed dito in gold colorway, maroon or red primary colorway niya sa box. On Cloud dito. Ayan, may kita nyo. Cloud Tilt in size 7.5. And dito rin guys, etong isa sa mga nakakatawa sa On guys pati sa kabilang side, meron din silang sizing. So ayan, this is 7.5 men's or 9 women's converted. So this is a pre-order for us. And this is also available dito sa store guys. And by the way guys, dalawa pala ang nilabas ng On Cloud na version ng Chinese New Year. So meron tayong Cloud Tilt and of course meron din tayong Cloud X4 na version ng Chinese New Year. So tara, unbox na natin to guys. So ayan, starting agad, may kita mo dito is yung parang card na itong Chinese New Year na version. Brown colorway, On Cloud. And ayan, I think this is parang Chinese or Japanese character. Siyempre, di tayo marunong yan guys, kaya di na natin bababasa yan. So, eto, may greeting card sila dito. Papers. Overall, may kita mo merong monogram ng On Cloud sila dito. And let's go straight to the shoes. Woo! This is the Cloud Tilt na Chinese New Year guys. So ayan, may kitang-kita nyo sa materials pa lang niya guys. Sobrang premium and alam mo nang grabe, sobrang comfy netong sapatos na to guys. And may kita nyo, meron siyang 3 base colors. Meron siyang maroon red sa sock liner, cream white sa may middle part niya, and then sa midsole naman guys is may kita nyo yung Cloud Tech face na material na ginamit. This is kung kayo ay mahilig sa long walks or usually pang work, pwede nyong gamitin to guys. Sobrang comfy na itong Cloud Tilt na ito. And then may kita nyo of course syempre Swiss engineering dito sa may back tab. Logo again ng On Cloud dito sa may heel tab niya banda. Tapos this is by the way guys, meron siyang lace pero more on a slip-on style siya. And then dito naman sa tongue, may kita nyo again On Cloud na logo. So actually guys, eto pala yung dumating sa atin. Hopefully may dumating sa atin na X4. And by the way guys, ang sole na ginamit nila is mixture of gum sole and white. So sinasabi nila para mas makapit siya. Isa pa sa mga nakita ko details is meron silang branding ng On Cloud dito rin sa may dulo guys. So as you all know guys, this is one of the most hype and the most comfortable na sneakers this coming 2025. And hopefully talaga guys, magkaroon pa sila ng iba't ibang colorways. At the same time, magkaroon pa ng more innovation when it comes to comfort and style ng On Cloud. Personally guys, I've tried fitting On Cloud Tilt before. If you will go for true to size, I think pwede naman siya kung naka-foot socks ka. Pero kung siguro makapal na socks ka, more on half size down dahil medyo may pagka-snug fit lang yung fitment niya, guys. So yeah, that's it. Both styles, the on-cloud tilt and the X4 is available for orders. So see you again on the next video. Peace out.